Hi, my name is Mildred Tilaubi and I work for the Salmon Youth Centre in Bermondsey. My job there is to work with the older young people aged 16 to 24. My role is especially working with neat young people who are not in education, employment or training to help them get jobs. And also I work generally with the other young people within that age group to help them transition into adult life. Now, Salmon Youth Centre is an organisation with a very, very long and rich history in Bermondsey. We've been established since 1906. We have over 20,000 young people come through the doors a year, and they come in to do every single day after school. We have activities ranging from art, drama to music, dance, adventure, rock climbing, table tennis, tennis lessons. So Salmon employs staff who are specialised in different areas. So young people are not just getting youth work, they're also getting the extra advantage of professional training in the areas that they're interested in. My brilliant moment came about a year into my role at Salmon, where I had the idea to start a public speaking and leadership program with young people. Now, at this point, I had been working with different young people in things such as CV writing, job search, interview training techniques, and I noticed that where some of these young people were fairly confident around their mates, maybe around the centre, when it came to serious things like career and job, they really lacked confidence in themselves. So I thought back to myself and when I was young, when I was in my early teens and late 20s, and I was really shy as a young person. Then it got better as I got older, but really it was when I was in my early 20s that I was working in an organisation within communications and housing, and we had this thing where every time new staff members came in, they came in groups of about 20 or so. There was an induction process, and part of that they had to have a communications talk. Now normally my boss did these talks, but one day he had this great idea that I should do it. I literally had to run to the toilet because I was shaking so much. But then he was my boss, I had no choice, and I ended up coming out, did some preparation, and I went out and delivered the talk in front of these people, shaking all along the way. And next thing I knew, for the 3 years I was there, ended up being part of my role. And then I also ended up developing in other areas and doing things like training sessions, which I never thought was possible for me. We've just done 3 sessions of the youth leadership program so far, and already we can see the changes in the young people. I personally believe that every single young person has the potential for greatness. I believe that we all have it inside of us, but often, especially when you're young, we don't always know it ourselves. And if we don't have the right people around us to encourage us to discover this potential and to bring it out of us, it remains hidden. For young people, if we help them to express themselves by teaching them adequate communication skills, giving them opportunities to feel more confident talking in front of themselves, in front of each other, in front of employers, etc., this will really help to open doors for them in their lives and to really release that potential that they have.